members, and friends to our graduation ceremony celebrating the class of 2024. We would like to recognize and acknowledge the Indigenous people of this land, past, present, and future, the Dakota, the Ojibwe, and the Sioux. Minnesota is home to 11 federally recognized tribal nations and 8 unrecognized tribal nations. Even the name Minnesota comes from the Dakota word Minnesota, meaning sky-tinted waters or sky-blue waters. While a land acknowledgement is not enough, it is an important social justice and decolonial practice that promotes Indigenous visibility and a reminder that we are on stolen Indigenous land. Let this land acknowledgement be an opening for all of us to contemplate a way to join in decolonial and Indigenous movements for sovereignty and self-determination. Additionally, reflecting on the ways we invite our Native students and families in their pursuit of a sovereign education at Ross as we continue our work towards quality teaching and learning and equity in all we do. On the significant years that have shaped your lives and brought us to this moment. Class of 2024, your story began in 2005 or 2006, a year when the world was buzzing with new possibilities and you entered with full of potential and promise. You were likely your family's greatest accomplishment. It was a time when technology was rapidly advancing, while Facebook becoming open to the public and the first tweet being sent on Twitter. You were the babies of a new digital age, born into a world that was evolving at an unprecedented pace. Fast forward to 2011, the year you stepped into kindergarten, likely with an oversized backpack and wide-eyed wonder. It was a year of learning the alphabet, making your first friends, and discovering the joy of recess. The country was being led by our first Black president, Minecraft was just released, and the last Harry Potter movie was being played. You were just beginning to learn how to navigate the halls of your elementary schools. In 2014, you were in 3rd grade, a pivotal year in your academic journey. This was the year you honed your reading skills, dove into chapter books, and discovered new worlds of mystery and magic through literature. You began to learn multiplication, and new division was right around the corner. The world was captivated by the Winter Olympics and the movie Frozen, which was engaging audiences everywhere. Maybe you belted out, let it go, or learned it could be a motto to live by. In your classrooms, your learning took new levels, and you showcased that on your first standardized tests. In 2018, you transitioned to middle school. It was a time of significant change as you began to discover who you were and where you fit in. This was the year you said goodbye to your elementary schools in Roseville and embraced the new challenges and opportunities that middle school brought. The world watched the dramatic rescue of a boys' soccer team from a cave in Thailand, and Black Panther broke box office records, inspiring millions with its powerful story and representation. You were learning to balance academics with the social dynamics of middle school life. Then came 2020, a year none of us will ever forget. The COVID-19 pandemic turned our worlds upside down. You abruptly were pulled from middle school and then were freshmen, adjusting to high school rigor, remote learning, social distancing, and the uncertainty of what lay ahead. It was a year of immense challenge and change, but it was also a year that taught us all resilience, adaptability, and the power of community. We witnessed the world come together in ways we never thought possible, and we learned to appreciate the simpler things in life. And now here we are in 2024, standing at the culmination of your high school journey. This year, you celebrate your achievements, your growth, and the friendships that have sustained. You've navigated a global pandemic, been engaged and reflective of social justice issues within our own community, adapted to new ways of learning, and come out stronger on the other side. The world today is a testament to your resilience and determination. As you move forward, carry the lessons of these pivotal years with you. Let's remember the curiosity and wonder of your kindergarten days, the joy and discovery of third grade, the growth and exploration of middle school, the resilience we built during the pandemic, and the triumphs of your senior year. Congratulations, Roseville Area High School Class of 2024. Here's to the years behind you and the incredible years ahead of you. Thank you. I now invite everyone to stand. Please remove your hats while the Rosetown American Legion hosts the colors and the Roseville Area High School Band, under the direction of Mr. Ian McKnight, plays our national anthem. Please remain standing as the American Legion leaves the field area. Again, please remain standing as the American Legion leaves the field area.
Di luar